Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Claude history. So once you've signed in to Claude, the first step you're going to want to do is go to your chats history, which you can find by clicking on the chats button here at the top left hand side of your screen. It's right below the new chat button and it shouldn't take you much to find it. Once you're there, you're going to be able to see all the past and previous chats you've had with Claude. And if you want to delete them, simply mouse over them.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish AI tutorials regularly, helping you guys to learn and to use the latest AI tutorials. And so if you're finding these videos helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when we release future videos to come. Now let's continue.
Click on the context menu that appears and click on the delete button. It's going to ask you for a confirmation. Go ahead and click delete, and you should have noticed that it has disappeared from the list, and you get a small notification at the top right that the chat has been deleted. So if you want to delete all your chats, you can also click on select chats, then click on select all, and you're going to be able to delete all of them in one go. Another step that you can do to reset your Claude memory history is to go to your settings, which you can find by clicking on your profile icon here at the bottom left, clicking on settings, going to capabilities, and then as you can see, there's an option here called generate memory from chat history. If it's on and you turn it off, you're going to see an option here that says reset memory. So this will permanently delete all the memories, including project memories, and this can't be undone. So if you want to reset your memory, you can go ahead and click on that, and then click on reset memory. But I won't be going that deep into clearing my Claude history right now. That's just something good to be aware of, and you definitely have the option if you'd like to start from scratch. That's going to be it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.